Sunday morning, May 3rd. I'm driving down the road just a couple of, well, not feet, but not even a half a mile from my house. And I see Barbara Bassett and James Bond in the fields over here. Barbara came right to me, but then she ran away when she saw James Bond coming to her. I'd say they're definitely a couple. Come on, you two. Go to the house. They won't come in my van. I tried to get them in the van, but they won't come. All right, I'm going there for food. Come on. Hopefully they stay on this side of the highway so that they don't get themselves killed. Not a lot of traffic this early Sunday morning, so as you can see, there's a lot of woods between the fields. Oh, now he's crossing the road. Son of a gun. See him behind me crossing the road. Hopefully they see me coming towards the house. She's following me behind. Coming closer and closer to my nose. It's on the trap of my house to catch him. They're far from the other house. I like it when other animals stray like that. There's two big trucks that just go barreling down this road. Like it's the interstate. One good thing is I was worried about Barbara last night because she looked a little lethargic. She wouldn't move from her spot. So obviously she's fine. And I'd say they were definitely strays because I was also wondering whether James Bond was actually a stray or whether he just was owned by somebody who wasn't being very much of a guardian. Man, it's such a different culture that I'm used to. It makes it very difficult for me. I think I'm gonna set a trap. Try and catch some of these puppies. The tree is pretty low. It's no point to even think about finding puppies. Oh, look. Let's see. You hear hounds barking in the distance. My word. Go back to. Okay. Well, they drank all the water out of the moat. They eat all the food. Somebody did eat some of the puppy food. And they moved these containers all the way in. And I hear hounds in the woods over here. Or not the woods, but the fields. Once again, it's a beautiful spring day in South Carolina. Oh, I'm so thankful for the nice cool nights and the warm but not hot days. I'll give it a few minutes, maybe they'll come. Because it wouldn't take them long to run a mile up the road. So if they leave the puppies alone all the time, there's not really a bond to them. Maybe, all their food too. Now, like I said, I don't think I'm going to see any puppies today, but I think I'll put a trap right there. We caught one there before. Alrighty then. I don't think I need to be filming anymore. It's hard to film while I'm setting up a trap, so I will talk to you guys later. Thanks, bye.